Want to enjoy fruits and vegetables without repeating the same meals every week? Here's a simple weekly plan to make it easier. Do you often struggle with what to eat each day? You want balanced nutrition, but you don't want to get bored. Don't worry, let's plan the week together. On Monday, start with a refreshing avocado salad. Avocados are rich in healthy fats. Pair it with lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Add a light dressing, an easy way to begin your week. On Tuesday, try a carrot and apple juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Apples add natural sweetness. It's colorful and refreshing. On Wednesday, make a simple stir-fried broccoli. Broccoli is packed with nutrients. A quick stir-fry keeps it simple and delicious. On Thursday, blend a banana smoothie. Bananas are a good source of potassium. Mix with milk or yogurt. Smooth, creamy, and satisfying. On Friday, enjoy a cold spinach salad. Blanch it lightly and mix with seasoning. Light and refreshing. On Saturday, make a kiwi yogurt bowl. Kiwis are high in vitamin C. Paired with yogurt, it's tangy and delicious. On Sunday, prepare tomato beef stew. Tomatoes add natural sweetness and acidity. Combined with beef, it feels comforting and hearty. By the end of the week, your meals feel fresh and varied. Fruits and vegetables won't feel repetitive, and your nutrition becomes more balanced. You can adjust ingredients based on your preferences. The key is building consistency. Plan your week, and eating healthy becomes easier. Follow me, and let's make healthy living simple.